Meaning of deep.
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 Deep. The term deep typically describes something that is complex, intricate, or profound. When we describe something as deep, we are often suggesting that it requires a considerable amount of thought or analysis to fully understand or appreciate. This can apply to anything from emotions and relationships to knowledge and concepts in a particular field. A deep understanding of something implies a level of insight and comprehension that goes beyond surface-level observations or cursory examination. Overall, the term deep connotes a sense of richness, complexity, and significance.